Hi guys, my name is Bet. Happy Friday, and let's continue our Forex technical analysis for swing trading. Okay, let's start with the USD index chart. After the price action of the last 2 days here, and market has price has clearly broken down. So at this point, we are certain that trend has reversed in the USD index chart. So the downtrend has begun and it should continue to go down like that soon. So in overall, it means USD is getting weak overall. So I have closed all my existing positions on the buy USD side, and I lost about the 0.35% of my account, and which is totally calculated risk. And as a trader, and you just have to take a calculated risk and trade along the trend. So at this point, USD index trend is down and USD is getting weak overall. So we're gonna look for opportunities to sell USD. Okay, let's write it down. So today is Friday. USD index trend is down, which means we're gonna look for opportunities to sell USD. Okay, now USD Japan yen first page here, and the USD Japan yen, the market is clearly behaving above the blue moving average line, meaning that trend is up and USD is getting stronger against Japan yen. Unfortunately, that story conflicts with the USD index price chart, and which says the USD is getting weak overall, right? So when we have the conflicting stories, and there's no need to force a trade. So for USD Japan yen, and story conflicts, and which means we're not gonna trade USD Japan yen. Okay, USD Canada dollar loonie. So last few months, and USD Canada dollar is going back and forth the blue moving average line, not demonstrating any specific trend. So at this point, we still take it as the USD Canada dollar is doing the sideways action. There's no actual trend, no trend, no trade. So USD Canada dollar sideways action, no trend, no trade. Okay, USD Schweizer franc. Here on the USD Schweizer franc, we had the clear downtrend, and after that we had the clear uptrend, and you see we have the lot of candles consistently behind above the blue moving average line, right? And now the market seems to be retracing. Then overall, USD Schweizer franc trend is still up, meaning that USD is getting stronger against the Schweizer franc. So unfortunately, that story, USD Schweizer franc trend is up, USD is getting stronger against Schweizer franc, that is conflicting with the USD index chart, right? So when we have the conflicting stories, and we will not force any trend. So we're not going to trend Schweizer franc. Okay, pound USD. So here we have clearly uptrend, the meaning that pound is getting stronger against Schweizer franc. In other words, USD is getting weak against the Great Britain pound, and which is compatible with the USD index chart. And we have the nice up leg like this, demonstrated like this, and a leg size is beautiful, not too small, not too big. Now, if the market retraces into a good zone, at least the Fibonacci 0.618 retracement here, then it will be a really good zone to buy pound. So let's write it down. Pound trend is up, leg size is nice, and if the market retraces into a good zone, I will definitely buy pound. Okay, Euro USD. Again, so we have the nice uptrend reversal happened, and trend is clearly up because we see a lot of the candles consistently behaving above the blue moving average line. If the market retraces into at least 40% and gets into Fibonacci retracement 0.618, 0.5, 0.38, that would be a really good zone to buy euro. So now we just have to patiently wait, let the market retrace into a good zone so that we will buy euro. So if that turns out to be the case, we're gonna set the stop loss below the local minimum here, and we're gonna set our take profit and the Fibonacci extension 1.618 there. So risk and reward ratio will be at least 1 to 2. Okay, let's write it down. Euro USD trend is up, leg size is nice, and our decision is to wait a good time. So currently we had the sell position on Euro USD when the USD index trend was up, the meaning that USD was strong, but the trend reversal happened the last 2 days, and from which we had to close and the buy USD positions, and for it we lost about 0.35% of my account, which is totally calculated risk, and which is just a perfect execution. And as a trader, that's what you have to do. I don't know which trades will be profitable, which trade will be losing, but over the span of the 30 trades, I will always be winner. I just have to execute my trading system perfectly. So that was a really good execution, and I lost 0.35% of my account now, and we just need the market to retrace into a good zone to buy euro. Okay, Aussie. So here and last few months, market has been going back and forth like this, right? But over the last week, we have the price market consistently behaving above the blue moving average line, which signifies the uptrend has begun in the Aussie like this. So ideally it should retrace into a Fibonacci retracement soon and return into original trend. So we will wait the Aussie to retrace into a good zone, and if it retraces, we will buy Aussie. So Aussie trend is up, leg size is nice, and if the market retraces into a good zone, we will buy Aussie. Okay, New Zealand dollar USD here. So we have the downtrend like this, and you see we have the lotto candles below the blue moving average line. Now the market is retracing. We see this breakthrough is not considered the trend reversal because the size of this breakthrough is not that big. Ideally we want at least a 50% or 40 to 50% breakthrough, but here it's just the price seems breakthrough seems too small. So at this point it is technically still considered the fake out, and market likes the fake out and return into original trend. So at this point the New Zealand dollar USD is still considered to have a downtrend, the meaning that USD is getting strong against New Zealand dollar USD. And again, this New Zealand dollar USD story conflicts with the USD index chart, and since it's conflicting, we will not force any trade. So at this point, we are confident that USD index trend reversal happened. Now the USD is getting weak overall, and pound USD, euro USD, Aussie, they are supporting the story that USD is getting weak. So we just have to patiently wait. Pound, euro, Aussie retrace into a good zone, and if it retraces into a good zone, we will sell USD. Okay, so I hope it makes sense, and look forward to a price action next week. Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you.